I loved working on the Live English writing workshop. It was such a great experience to design the course and even more to see the students take part in it and develop their writing skills. My name is Stephanie Cable. I'm the CEO of LiveEnglish.net. We help professionals improve their English skills with our native English teachers. Last year, we started offering the Live English Writing Workshop to help professionals improve their writing skills. It's a mix of training modules that teach you exactly the expressions you need or how to improve your writing skills, with a lot of exercises so that you can practice and make sure you write even better. And you also have support from the group. During the classes, we have breakout rooms where the participants work in pairs, and it's very successful and you learn a lot from this experience. And last but not least, you also have a professional review from the teacher who facilitates the class. The Live English workshop is for professionals who have an intermediate to advanced level and who want to improve their writing skills or even just improve their overall level of English. The workshop is 3 sessions of 90 minutes each on Zoom in a small group. So you get to learn with other people and progress together. On top of that, you also get some worksheets that you can keep for future reference when you need to write in English. Follow the link. The dates of the next workshop are on the page, and we'll be in touch with you by email.